Hey guys, it's Shaan and today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the MacBook Air 2018. But before we go ahead and get started, make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe and turn on post notifications. But other than that, let's get started. So unboxing the 2018 MacBook Air, you get the MacBook Air itself. Underneath that, you get a 2-meter USB-C cable. Beside that, you get a quick start guide, manuals, and the popular Apple stickers. Beneath that, you get the 30-watt USB-C power adapter. Now taking a look at the MacBook itself, the space gray design looks amazing with the Apple logo at the top, but sadly does not light up anymore. Towards the bottom of the laptop you have 4 rubber feet so the laptop does not slide. The MacBook only has 2 Thunderbolt 3 ports to the left but is configurable for up to 4. It also has a 3.5mm headphone jack, what is amazing to have in 2019. I have to say that opening up the laptop with one hand is really handy. You are then presented with a backlit keyboard that feels great to type with. Surprisingly, it also had Touch ID, what is a very neat feature to unlock your laptop quickly and also doubles as a power button. It also has a large trackpad, what was a surprise, and had many gestures to help with navigating quickly. You also have to get used to having Force Touch, what is a nice addition, but takes a little bit of adjusting. Looking above the display, you get the old 720p HD camera, what has still not been replaced and is overall a decent camera. Now for the display, you have a 13-inch retina display with a resolution of 2560 by 1600 that has 227 pixels per inch. Now for the specs, you have a dual-core Intel Core i5 clocked at 1.6 GHz and turbo boost to 3.6 GHz. The GPU is an Intel UHD Graphics 617. For the storage, you get a 128GB PCIe SSD, what is really fast and is also configurable for up to 1.5 terabytes. For the RAM, you get 8GB of LPDDR3, what is also configurable for up to 16 GB. On the wireless side, you have 802.11 AC Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 4.2. The MacBook Air also comes with stereo speakers and 3 microphones, what is great if you love your audio. Finally is the battery of the MacBook Air. The laptop lasts 12 hours when browsing the web and 13 hours if you're using iTunes. The standby battery life is around 30 days, what is amazing. The 2018 MacBook Air starts at $1,500 Canadian, and I think that it is worth it if you want a laptop that will last for a very long time while being reliable and quick. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys did like the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe and turn on post notifications to see exactly when I post a new video. Also, make sure you guys go ahead and check out my social media, links down in the description below. But other than that, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys all have a great day, and I'll see you guys in my next video.